Stop wasting hours tweaking layouts. Squarespace Design Intelligence transforms your site in seconds. Open your Squarespace site and click Design, then choose Design Intelligence. Choose a goal, clean, bold, or creative, and the tool analyzes fonts, spacing, and color. Watch as it suggests layouts, adjusts typography, and balances white space automatically. Tap Apply to preview changes. Every element updates instantly while preserving your content. Want tweaks? Use quick toggles to refine colors, spacing, or fonts with one tap. Here's a before: dense paragraphs, inconsistent headings, and cramped margins. And after: clear hierarchy, readable fonts, and balanced margins that breathe. Zoom into the UI for one-click font pairing and spacing presets that match your brand. Design Intelligence also generates mobile-optimized layouts, so your site looks great everywhere. Save versions, compare previews, and revert if you need. Perfect for fast iteration. Ready to speed up design? Try Squarespace Design Intelligence today in your editor.